What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from the Marriott here in Basel, Switzerland. Just arrived in a train from Paris. Had a stopover in Luxembourg. Just show you the restaurant that's right over here. It's called the Heritage. You can see we've got a nice, relaxing environment there. There's the hours if you want to pause it and just check those hours. We got fitness and spa. We have an M Club lounge. Obviously this is the ground level here. Check-in area, concierge. Really nice Marriott. Finally, after being in UK and France. See the lounge for just regular. Got a beer right there. Carlsberg. Tetley's Blanc and Rosner. Then mineral water. Hello. And then over here we've got the M Club. So I'm not going to go in there right now, but you get the idea. M Club. All right, here's a look at the gym. Big old gym, huh? Professional gym. Super. Got all the machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Several other weighted machines. Lat pull down. Chest press to 90 kg. Got a punching bag. Stair step. And then here we got up to 22 kg. We got kettlebells up to all the way to 24 kg. There you go. Bikes. And here's a look at the room. So you can see, nice bed here. I believe this is an upgrade. Not exactly sure what kind of upgrade it is, but the interesting thing is they've got this window, like this typical, Swiss window. You won't see that in many places in the world, but it comes along with the A-frame style, right? This is the 6th floor, by the way. Nice desk, great desk, by the way. Seating. Let's see what they got here. Safe. Iron, kind of need that actually. The rope. Put my bag there. And now it's in the corner. Got coffee. What do we have down here? Do we have a mini bar? Water. Okay. That'll do. A bathtub. Never know at a Marriott if you're gonna get a bathtub or not. There we go. Probably not eco-friendly are those bathtubs. There we go. Yeah, nice room, I like it. And here's the breakfast. Lots of cheese. Croissants. What's up? All right, so final review of the Basel Marriott. So I stayed one night coming in from France. It was a very welcome stay. After some tough stays in France, France is expensive and you don't really get good quality. Same thing with in the UK. You pay a really high price and the quality is just not there. I mean, sure, if you're gonna pay $500 or $600 a night, you get good quality. Now, it could just be that I've been spoiled living in Asia and Asia has really good quality. Right now I'm in Italy making this. I did not get to review any of the hotels in France or in London, okay? I'll tell you why, and after I tell you about Basel. So Basel Marriott here, like I said, very good quality. I was happy, the bed was comfortable, the room was spacious, The desk and the internet was fantastic. The bathroom was very nice. Like I said, it was just a very nice break from what I was dealing with in France and London. Now, I realize this is going to trigger a lot of people because I've mentioned it, and every time I mention it on an app like Threads or something, many British and French people, they always come out and say, oh, it's just an American thing, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to say that all the American hotels are good, and it's not even a competition. This is just reviews. This is letting people know what to expect. It could just be a chain hotel thing. It could be something that has to do with Hilton or IHG or Marriott. They just don't do very good quality, and maybe you're better off staying in boutique hotels. But the lounges in Europe are just very small compared to something you would get in Asia. Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur. I mean, these are like fantastic lounges compared to what you get in Europe. I mean, I'm staying at the Hilton Milan right now. And the hotel that is here is nice, but I don't know. The lounge. It was good. It was an all right lounge. It's an all right lounge, but even the lounge at the Marriott, it was all right. It wasn't anything special in Basel. It's very small, limited. I mean, you're cramming in there and like sitting like in a very cramped experience. Maybe it's because it's so expensive for food. I don't know. So they don't really want to encourage you to relax and enjoy yourself like you can in, say, Thailand. But there is a huge difference between the quality that you get in Asia versus the quality you get in Europe and even in the United States. People hate hearing that. I don't know why people will argue that tooth and nail. Like they will go to town on you if you tell them the facts. It's the facts. I've now been to 92 countries. I can tell you where the good, the bad, and the ugly is and everything. There's pros and cons everywhere. There's pros and cons in Asia. There's pros and cons in Europe. Some things are great in Europe. So, like trains, I mean, are fantastic in Europe. You compare trains versus trains in Thailand. I mean, the trains in Europe are fantastic. Okay? But the hotel quality, I mean, if we're talking luxury experience, the value, it's not even comparable, my friends. Not even comparable. They try, but it's just not there. But this one, I was very happy. Switzerland just has great quality. Switzerland it's a little bit more expensive, but at least you get the quality. Whereas with the UK, you're going to pay top price and you're just not going to get the quality. Same with France. I mean, I would say I paid like $250 for this stay here at this hotel. $250 in France gave me like a hole in the wall like hotel in Paris in a very dangerous area that smelled like urine, really. And the hotel was old and it was rinky dink. I mean, I couldn't even review it. It was that bad. It was a Holiday Inn, but it was cheap, so I stayed there. They have nice hotels in Paris, but you got to pay $500 a night. It's peak season. So Switzerland's great. Switzerland is great. Nothing but 5 stars for Switzerland. Everything about Switzerland is amazing, really, including the Marriott here. So Basel, I would stay there and post up and live probably all across Switzerland. Nothing but positive things to say. See you guys on the next one. I'm going to also review the Clown Plaza in Zurich. See you over there.